Good morning, guys. Today is 27th of April and the time is 9:21, and we have taken the positions. And in Nifty, what we have done is we have a 50-point triangle. Let's keep the stop losses on both the sides. We have a 50-point triangle, 14,500 and 14,550 triangle we have. And in Bank Nifty, we are sitting on a 432-400 straddle. The exit point for Bank Nifty straddle is once this low is breached, we are going to come out of it. And Nifty का क्या सीन है? Nifty का until 14,500 is taken out. तो ये देखिए, like this is the CPR and this is the day's low and this is a 20 moving average. So there is a confluence of things here. So until 14,490 is taken out, we won't be doing any adjustments. We have collected close to 4-5 points of decay in Nifty. And बैंक निफ्टी में भी आप कलेक्टेड क्लोज टू अराउंड 15 to 20 पॉइंट्स ऑफ डीके. तो आज भी हमने हेज यूज नहीं किया है बिकॉज ऑफ द जीरो दास रिस्ट्रिक्शंस. थोड़ा मतलब पोजीशंस लेने के लिए हम हिचकिचाए, तो वी टुक द पोजीशंस ऑलमोस्ट एट 919 पे हमने पोजीशन लिया है. थोड़ा हिचकिचाना पड़ा बिकॉज ऑफ द मूव्स दैट वी सॉ. फर्स्ट मिनट में निफ्टी शॉर्ट ऑफ 50 पॉइंट्स, तो वी वर नॉट दैट्स व्हाई लाइक वी वर नॉट श्योर व्हाट द मार्केट्स गोना डू. And because of that, we had to wait for a couple of minutes before taking the positions. So if Reliance के साथ बाकी सब चीजें भी मतलब एक साथ यूनिसन में मूव करना चालू कर देता है, then it's going to be a problem for us to manage Nifty. But as far as the present scenario is concerned, Bank Nifty थोड़ा नीचे आ रहा है and HDFC भी थोड़ा नीचे आ रहा है and Nifty IT is also not showing that great signs of strength. Maybe Reliance का जो सीन है, it's just a short covering before the results. तो रिजल्ट्स के पहले थोड़ा शॉर्ट कवरिंग हो रही है, तो दैट्स व्हाट इट इज. बट वी आर परफेक्टली सेंटर्ड 14,500 एंड 550 ट्रायंगल पे बैठे हैं एंड वी आर परफेक्टली सेंटर्ड विथ मार्केट्स बीइंग एट 14,530. एंड ऐसे खास एमटीएम प्रॉफिट्स हो नहीं रहा था, ऑलमोस्ट हुए थे, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द कॉल साइड आईबी एक्सपेंशन अगेन लाइक वी आर बैक टू स्क्वायर वन. एंड बैंक निफ्टी अकाउंट पे ऑल्सो pretty much cost to cost. So any further updates, I'll post it, guys. Okay, we need to do one adjustment. What I did is I shifted all these 14,500 puts to 14,550. Now we are sitting on a 14,550 straddle, which collectively has around 230 points of premium, and I'm expecting to collect at least 15 to 20 points of premium today. So the points of adjustment is until this point, until this 14,600, 14,590 is not breached. This position is good to hold. At the same time, okay, यहाँ पे हाँ ठीक है. See, 14,593 पे एक रेजिस्टेंस है, which is a gap. तो जब तक ये 14,593 और 14,600 ब्रीच नहीं होता है, तब तक this position is good to hold. And at the same time, until the day's low is breached, like 14,500 is decisively taken out. Till then also, this position is pretty much okay to hold. Okay, the time is 10:07. We had to make another adjustment. जैसे मार्केट continuously it was heading higher and there was a solid buying pressure in HDFC. Even Reliance was forming like pole and flag pattern, because of which I had shifted my calls to 14,600. 14,600 calls को मैंने shift किया है, puts को मैंने 14,550 पे ही रखा मैंने. So now if ये जो resistance है R1 जो है 14,556, 14,550 के आसपास आके उधर नीचे क्लोज दे देता है, then I'm going to shift these calls back to 14,550. Till then, this position is good to hold because यहाँ पे प्राइस एक्शन पैटर्न अगर आप देखोगे तो इट्स अ सिंपल रेजिस्टेंस, पुल बैक, ब्रेकआउट. नाउ अगर रीटेस्ट करके यहाँ पे अगर फिर से एक मूवमेंट आ जाता है, देन दैट इज गुड फॉर आवर पोजीशन. हमारा पोजीशन उससे काफी ज्यादा बेनिफिट हो जाती है उससे. बट इफ ये जो नीचे आके इसके नीचे अगर क्लोज दे देता है, देन वी माइट बी लुकिंग एट again bringing these calls back to 14,550 to balance our straddle. अभी almost balanced है. The puts are just trading around 15% higher than the calls, but just because these calls are deflating quite rapidly in value and the puts are not expanding that fast, so this position is kind of balanced. Not from the premiums की वजह से balanced नहीं है, because of the behavior of the premiums, this straddle is kind of balanced. All right, another change we had to make. Now that the market is looking like it's going to give a breakout, so half of the 14,550 puts have been shifted to 14,600. So now we have a part 14600 straddle and a part 14550 strangle. So the reason behind this is, yes, if the market shoots up, so this 14600 put, it will give a lot of compensation for the expansion of these calls. And at the same time, suppose there is a reversal, suddenly एक reversal हो गया, तो this 14550 puts, they won't expand as much as these 14600 puts. That's why एक balance लेने के लिए मैंने half quantity मैंने shift किया है and the other half we have kept as is. And in the Bank Nifty account, yeah, now even though the markets are heading a bit higher, the calls are not expanding particularly. That is because जब तक ये level टूटता नहीं है, this 14550 और 14600 level जब तक टूटता नहीं है, till then I think it's very rational, it's very logical to hold on to this position. Only for 32600 level is breached clearly, only then we might look at exiting this position. Currently we have collected 80 points mark to market, and Bank Nifty Nifty we have collected around 12 points. All right, Bank Nifty was looking very bullish in particular, that's why we have closed it. We collected around 70 points. We've collected around 70 points of DK. All the orders have been executed. And on the Nifty end, currently sitting on around 20k of profits, what we did is we shifted the remaining half of the 14550 puts to 14600. Now we are currently sitting on a 14600 straddle. So what's the adjustment points now? As I said, Reliance में जो मैंने जैसे बोला था, जैसे हमने expect किए थे Reliance में, the same thing happened, right? तो वहां का drawing भी ऐसा ही है, yeah. So it was a proper bull flag pattern. ऊपर गया था with the back of low volumes, it was consolidating and suddenly there was another surge of volumes towards the upside. So now Reliance is at another day's pivot, but considering the fact that it is a short covering, I'm not sure if the pivot levels will be respected. And so what's the exit point? Correct. Of course, the puts have higher premiums compared to calls. And the moment we fall down to less than 15k profits, M2M mark will be coming out of our straddle. We don't have any logical level to support our position. Maybe 625, because 625 पे क्या है? 625 पे ये daily resistance है. So maybe that. So 625 के ऊपर अगर जाता है, then maybe we might have to close our position and call it a day. But since we have slightly higher premiums on the put side, we can still hold on to the positions, and the DK is also quite okay. I'm not saying that there's no IV spike. That's the good thing. When the market's going higher and if there is not an IV spike, then yes, you can definitely trade. But if there is an IV spike, then it becomes a problem. Alright guys, I've pulled out of all the trades. The time is close to 1 o'clock, and it's been 1 hour since I pulled out. I had some other works, and because of which I couldn't update, and currently the market exactly is at 14600 levels. So, and even Bank Nifty is at 14. Just because Bank Nifty broke out, I pulled out from Bank Nifty trade as well. So 5.2 here and around 530 here. So somewhere around 25k for the day, which is just above 1%. Alright guys, just because the premiums were good, I re-entered the 14600 straddle, and as the market is coming down, it is benefiting our straddle, and we almost collected around 4 points of DK from this. So the exit point is once we start heading below 14570. ये जो lower low जो form किया है, ये जो lower low है, अगर इसके नीचे अगर मार्केट गिरना शुरू करता है, then we might come out of the straddle, but till then we'll be staying with the straddle. So 28k, and जैसे मार्केट ऊपर मूव कर रहा है, now the calls are also not expanding. The calls are not expanding, but the puts are deflating in the value. So 14600 should be the ideal close for today. तो देखना पड़ेगा, अगर 14600 पे exactly अगर राउंड नंबर पे क्लोज हो जाता है, somewhere around these levels, 14620 से लेके 14575 80 के बीच में अगर क्लोज दे देता है आज मार्केट, so we'll be collecting another 5 to 6 points of DK in this. So 26-27k for the day, and no new positions taken in the Bank Nifty account. I entered this only because the premiums were looking good. ठीक है, तो Usually 14, I mean a straddle should end at somewhere around 150 rupees on a Tuesday evening, but considering that the VIX is kind of higher, so let's say 170 rupees 180 rupees पे भी अगर end करता है तो then also we have more than 20 rupees to gain from. तो इसलिए हमने we still took a position. The risk reward was clearly in our favor, and any point of time if we head below 20,000 mark to market we'll be coming out of a position. So we have a mark to market stop loss as well, and we have a range based stop loss as well. Premium based stop loss में नहीं रखने वाला हूँ. That is because for the obvious reasons the premiums are pricing in some sort of a bias in the market, so there's no need to play by the premiums. We'll either play by the range or we'll play by the mark to market. So having said that, this will be the last trade. There won't be any more trades, there won't be any more adjustments also. So we'll be holding on to this position as long as this range is intact. ये जो मैंने range बनाया है, this range, ये जो मैंने range बनाया है, the day's high and this swing low, इसके बीच जब तक market रहेगा we'll be holding on to this. Alright, the time is 1:47 and suddenly एक solid buying momentum candle आया Bank Nifty में. So it looks like the Bank Nifty is going to break out, and futures में भी काफी अच्छा volume आ चुका है, and even HDFC में भी buying आया है, and even Reliance में क्या हो रहा है, Reliance it's like a double bull flag pattern, double flag and pole. तो first pole, first flag, second pole and second flag type बना रहा था, and now again there is a good amount of buying momentum in Reliance as well. So that's why तो ये breakout होने से पहले I came out of the position, and net for the day is 35k in this account and 5.2k in this account. So सब मिला के around 40k सब पकड़ लीजिए. So we made 40k, which is close to 2% on the margin. So pretty decent outcome on a Tuesday. Tuesday भी 2% बनाया है, that too without hedges. So that is the important thing. हम कोई hedges use नहीं किया है, and without hedges we have made 2% on the block margin. So that will be the end of the trading day, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video.